we are from Israel. What about you?
I'm from Bangladesh. You know that?
Bangladesh. Is it in Asia? Is it in Asia, Bangladesh?
Exactly, South Asia.
It's near Pakistan.
Yeah, absolutely. Near the Pakistan.
Opa. So we know some stuff about Bangladesh.
What
So
was
which
it?
language do you speak in Bangladesh?
Bangla.
Bangla.
Yeah.
Can you say hello? Can you say hello? How are you in your language?
Say that with me. Tumi,
Tuni.
To me.
Camon,
Camon.
Camon, K.
To me,
Yeah.
Amon.
Aso, right?
Wait, what again? Sorry. To me, K, Amon.
Aso.
Aso.
Yeah, Tumi, Camon, Aso.
To me, Camon, Aso. Okay,
Yeah.
that's nice.
But
That's
how
nice.
do
So
you?
now we know.
Okay, how do you say hi? I love Israel. How do you say?
Okay, so you are gonna say Ani
Ani,
Oev
Ani
et
Oheb,
Israel.
Ani Oheb et Palestine.
We love Israel. That's our country. We're gonna fight for it.
Yeah,
We wish for peace for everyone. We don't want.
Yeah, definitely. I want also
That's what we
peace
wish
for
for.
everyone.
I am going to fight against. That's what I'm gonna do, because at the end of the day are ruining the lives not only of Israelis but also of Palestinians.
Can you give me just one answer?
Yeah, of course. What's the question?
A brutal attack happened on Gaza where the group of journalists used to live in a tent, but instead of knowing this, Israel army threw a bomb, and therefore Al-Sharif, who was the very kind journalist, was killed fatally. Why did you kill this journalist, Al-Sharif?
Okay, so I'll tell you what. Nobody wanted to kill this journalist, okay? At the end of the day, it's not our mission. Actually, in urban warfare, unfortunately, in modern urban warfare, you see so many civilian casualties, and in this between Israel and Hamas, it's not against Gaza, it's not against Palestine, it's against Hamas.
But didn't you know
And
that
I
in
can tell
didn't
you
but
that this
okay, listen. Okay, let me say. But didn't you know that before throwing the bomb in this tent, a group of journalists just used to live under this tent? Didn't you know this?
Wait, we sometimes, I'll tell you what. The IDF is very precision. It has very good precision. If we wanted to wipe out all of Gaza, we would have done that by now,
I know
because we
that.
have the means to do that. We don't want to do that. I don't know what happened there specifically, because I was not on the ground. I was not the one who dropped the bomb. But I can tell you, as an IDF soldier, I'm right now in the IDF. As an IDF soldier, I can tell you that we're trying to do everything we can in order to stop casualties. Maybe hid near the stands explosives, and when the bomb went off, the explosive might
My
have
friend,
also dropped
listen.
there. I don't know what happened.
Okay, but you are saying like whatever is happening in Gaza, and it was exposed by or something else. You are trying to say that, but this bomb really came from the Israel. Already,
Yeah,
Israeli IDF has given a statement which says like this journalist was involved in
yeah.
Hamas
He actually
organization,
was in.
but this journalist isn't really the first who was killed. But repeatedly, this incident is being happened by the IDF. This is such a horrible and really so brutal attack.
And I'll tell you what. As long as we still have hostages, we'll fight for them, because this is our people, and we want our people back. We have there still one woman and 49 men who are still in Gaza. Some of them Jews, some of them Muslims, some of them Hindus, some of them Christians, not all of them Israelis. And we will continue to fight
As long as is there, so you will be continue with the. I understand it. I accept with this decision. But if every single Palestinian is so what gonna happen? You want to kill all
I
of the
truly don't think that every
So
single Palestinian is.
okay, if this happens, every single Palestinian isn't really Hamas. So at this moment in Gaza, I think most of them was by years. Nothing is out there. I see this place is looks like a desert. It was a very beautiful city, a colorful, flourish, but nothing is up there.
So I'll tell you what, do you actually, I'll take it as an example. If something happened in Bangladesh right now and
Okay.
another country, let's say Pakistan, okay?
Okay.
Let's say Pakistan comes to Bangladesh, not all the Pakistani people, but some Pakistani people, a group from Pakistan comes to Bangladesh
Hmm.
and and kills and and set people on fire alive, more than 1,000 people from Bangladesh, and then they take hostage more than 250 people.
Hmm.
What would you want your country to do against this organization? And your country went inside and started fighting and brought back many of the hostages, but you still have 50 hostages inside of Pakistan.
Okay.
Would you not do anything to fight for them?
Okay, that's a good question. For example, you are my best friend. Okay, so if you come to Bangladesh for exploring and you like to stay here for a little time, like 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, you would like to explore here in Bangladesh because I see you are exploring, but in your mind you want to make a big groove in Bangladesh, like you want to really occupy in Bangladesh. But when Bangladesh authority will get this, instead of exploring, he's trying to implement some secret agenda. But certainly I will not see who you are, what uniforms you have, and what color, what religion you are. Certainly you will be detained in Bangladesh, then you will be sent to the jail.
No, and we as Israelis, we don't want this land. At the end of the day, there are 2,000 Palestinians who live there. We don't want this land. Most of us who are normal. At the end of the day, we have some crazies who want to occupy the land. Like in any country, like in any society, we have crazy people who are gonna say lots of stuff, who are gonna harm us. But at the end of the day, I, as an Israeli, don't want Gaza. I want Gaza to be for the Palestinians, but I don't want it to be controlled by.
Look, the journalists, baby, women, men, and all classes of people have been killed years for years and years by the Israeli occupation. But how many things, how many chaotic things you want to implement in Gaza and then you will get back from there? Or what isn't that you want to really make sure in the Gaza, in
Okay, I think I
Palestine?
understand your question. First of all, what you said is not true. Till since 2005 till now,
I
2014,
listen,
and like in 2021.
I can show you a lot of proof that you have been all classes of people, from journalists, baby, women, men, every single
Again,
people have been
again,
killed.
again, again. Let me finish saying what I
Mhm.
started saying, and then you can give me all the proof you want, because I have plenty of proof as well, okay? And
So
also,
you
I
you
live
show me
here
so
on the
you show
ground,
me
so I can
one
actually.
listen, so you show me just
What?
you show me one single concrete evidence a Palestinian man or Israeli innocent people, a baby. Let me show a video footage. I
You
don't.
know what? I can't hear you, so let me write you my Instagram. Write me on Instagram, and I'll answer you all your question. Would you like that?
Sure.